This is an EPSON DS-530. It's a business document management scanner. It can quickly scan stacks of paper to PC, Mac, online storage accounts. Some additional features it has is a double feed detection, slow speed mode, and programmable jobs. This scanner comes with a USB 3.0 cable, as well as a power cable. After you've installed your drivers on your computer, we will be plugging in the wires. First we have the USB, and then we have the power cord. To turn on your scanner, first you're going to open up the input tray. And on the right side you'll have all of your feature buttons. The top one, just hold in the power for about a second, and the scanner will initialize. As we get ready to scan documents, we have several options to adjust to get it ready. First we have the input tray, which we can pull out. We have the output tray, which we can pull out as well. And we also have the side guides to adjust for different widths of documents. As you're getting ready to scan, you have a few options here for some button functionality. Again, this is the power button here. We have the double feed detection skip button down here for any thick documents that need to go through. Next we have the slow mode button, which you can use to enable if you have any thin, delicate paper that you want to get through the document, get through the scanner. You have the stop button, and you have the scan button. And this concludes our demo of the EPSON DS-530.